Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the battery on a 2022 Isuzu key. So this key is actually for this Isuzu MUX behind, and it's nice and simple to do, but you are going to need a flathead screwdriver to do the job. So first thing we're going to do is actually take out the hidden key part like so, which is just done by operating that lever there, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that in my pocket. So the next thing we're going to do is look at it from the back, and just down the bottom there is an indent that perfectly fits a screwdriver. So just going to put that in there like that, and we're just going to give it a bit of a turn, and then that'll actually pop open like that. So opening that up nice and carefully, we can actually see our battery. So this is a brand new car, and the battery is a Panasonic and number CR2032, which is actually a really popular car battery key. So to get it out, all we're going to do is push it up and then rotate it around like so, just remembering that the writing is always facing outwards, so that's the negative side on the bottom. And once you've got your new battery, just go ahead, put that straight back in, and making sure it locks on all four tabs. Get the other half of the key, and we're just going to go ahead and click that in all the way around, and then you can actually pop your key section back in. So that's how easy it is to remove and replace the battery on an Isuzu key from 2022, and like I say, this is from that MUX there. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.